Tastefully remodeled, this beautiful home is ideally located in the desirable Summerfield community. On a private cul-de-sac, it's close to the Tualatin Country Club, local parks, the Tualatin River, and Summerfield activities from golf to pickleball to tennis and more. This home of more than 2,300 square feet features mostly one-level living with a luxury live-in suite as well. The gorgeous remodel includes newer flooring, trim, doors, a cozy gas fireplace, high ceilings, and abundant natural light. The completely updated kitchen features quartz counters, newer appliances, and tons of storage. The main level features 2 generous ensuites. Enjoy updated modern bathrooms. Pocket doors open to the main level office. And you'll find another large ensuite with its own updated full bath. Upstairs is a fantastic addition that's never been lived in, with vaulted ceilings and pocket doors to a bedroom. A convenient kitchenette, and another full modern bathroom with heated floors. Relax on your Expansive Trex deck with nothing to worry about, as the HOA takes care of all exterior maintenance and the beautiful landscaping. A fantastic home for caretakers, extra family members, or for just enjoying the second living area or additional home office. A beautifully remodeled Summerfield home here on Brentwood Court, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.